Hey, happy Thursday, everybody. So I'm cooking one of the meats that I got from Crowd Cow. This is a butterfly chicken, which means I guess it's split. It comes from White Oak Farms in Bluffington, Georgia. It's 3.5 pounds. I think this is a pasteurized chicken, so this is how it looks. I took it out last night. It says to unthaw in the refrigerator. This is natural pasture raised without antibiotics, no added hormones. Yes, they go through different steps. This is some more info on it. They tell you how it was raised. And then it says this global animal, step 5, animal centered, no physical alterations. And then it tells you how to cook it. So this is the farm that it comes from. So I'll let y'all know how it tastes. I'm gonna put it in my Dutch pot, season it up with my salts. I'm gonna use this salt and this salt. These are both like everyday salts that you can use. This one is more finer. This one is more of a grainy. This one is more flaky. And then I got my seasonings. I'm gonna use my rosemary, black pepper, thyme, some lemon juice, fresh garlic, and my bouillon. This is vegetable because I don't have a lot of chicken left. So I'll be back. So this is what it looks like. This is when they say it's butterfly. They basically split it open for you. I like chickens that come like this. So this is what it looks like. I used this one right here. It's just some herbs with sea salt in it. Over the top of it, I did already do a video of these salts, so you can go back and look at that to see what each one is and what it looks like. I used this underneath the opening and the inside of the chicken. And then I used this on the outside. This one has sea salt in it as well, so hopefully it's good in season. I put my bouillon in the bottom of the pan, as you can see. And so we're gonna put it in the oven and let it slow roast on 300 degrees. I'll be back when it's done. Hello. Today is Thursday night. I am having dinner. I broke my fast with a protein fruit smoothie. I put in it a banana, blueberries. I started a new collagen, which is perfect keto. The Equip is not in stock, so I got that. My Noosh almond protein powder, and all my little other powders that I put in it, and then some ice and water. So I didn't count my calories today. I'm keeping it kind of light. I did not work out. Tomorrow is another day. Just unmotivated today. But anyway, I have here some roasted chicken. This is from the chicken that I got from the butterfly chicken I got from Crowd Cow. I did taste it and it's very good. Also, I used 2 of the salts from my Vitamin Salt Company little packs, and I used 2 salts and a herb, and it tastes really good. I mean, overall, I'm happy with the chicken. I'm happy with the seasonings that I've been trying and using. So go check out those videos. The Crowd Cow video is up, and so is the Vitamins Salt Company video. So under here I have 4 ounces of green beans, 4 ounces of green squash, and I threw on top of it, y'all know I'm always bunching something up in a bowl, and I just got a little mixed salad right here with some guacamole I made yesterday. Also on my squash, I used one of the Hawaiian salts, so I have not tasted it yet, but I'm pretty sure it's good. I've been happy with the spices thus far. So that is my dinner, and then right here I have 10 of my olives. Also too, I'm joining another challenge by Keto Rewind, her October challenge. So I'm still doing the Mrs. Muscle 30-day workout challenge, but this one is more of a food challenge. As y'all know, I've been doing intermittent fasting for probably about 2 years now, off and on. And I think the longest I've ever fasted was probably about 22 hours. And that's when I was just doing OMAD. I was just eating once a day. I am working out now. I do OMAD too, which is basically I break my fast with, you know, a meal. Sometimes it's a smoothie. Sometimes it's just a fatty coffee. It just all depends. And then I go in and eat my dinner. But as you know, I've been working out and I've been adding resistance training in, so I have to make sure I get my calories in, and I don't want to undereat. It was one thing when I was just, you know, doing body weight workouts or not at all, but I really do need to get my calories in. I don't want to lose any lean mass or muscle. So I need to get my calories in, and I'm more along the lines of low carb, you know what I'm saying, more so than keto. But I try not to go over a certain amount, maybe like 50 to 60 total. So of course with net it's going to be much less. So that is, you know, my goal, and just to cut back on the fats and up my protein, at least meet my goal with my protein. So that's my goal. But with Keto Rewind's October challenge, which started today, she's doing alternate day fasting. So tomorrow is a non-eating day, which is Friday, which means I have to fast all the way until Saturday. I will be using a bridge if I find myself to get hungry and the wave doesn't go away, because you do get hungry when you're intermittent fasting, but it goes in waves. You know, you may feel it for 5 to 10 minutes and then it'll go away and you're fine. What I have noticed too, though, is that this past week mostly, is that when I break my fast, I'm not even really hungry. But I do make myself eat because, again, I have to get my calories in. So that's a good thing. So I figured, you know what, I'm always up for a good challenge. That was the one thing, is seeing people saying, you know, I did a fast for 2 days or 3 days. And I'm like, ugh, can I go 24 hours, like missing a whole day of eating, just drinking water? I don't know. But I am setting myself up to go into this fast with not eating tomorrow. And again, if it comes down to where, you know, I'm just wanting something, or I'm starting to get a headache or something like that, I will drink some bone broth, and I will have my coffee with my collagen. So I got my sparkling waters, you know what I'm saying? So this is 30 days. The whole month of October, it'll be 3 days, I think, of non-eating and 4 days of eating. So I think Monday is a non-eating day because you eat Saturday and Sunday. Monday, Thursday is the eating day. Friday is a non-eating day. Saturday and Sunday are both eating days. Monday is a non-eating day. Tuesday is an eating day, Wednesday is a non-eating day, and then Thursday is an eating day. So that's how it goes. So I'll be checking in with y'all. You know, I'll still be getting my workouts in. I'm going to try not to, you know, on my fasting days, not to let that stop me from getting my workouts in or feeling like I'm, you know, worn out. I do have my electrolytes, so I'm ready to go into this. So I'm going to savor this meal. But, you know, we're going to make it do what it do. And by the end of 30 days, we'll see if there's any change to my weight. So yeah, we're gonna go from there. So y'all be safe out there, and I'll be checking in tomorrow. Peace.